Welcome to Think in English Daily Channel. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to listen to a slow and easy English conversation about meeting new friends. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing story about Sarah and Paul meeting new people at a community class. Please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So, here is today's question. What hobby does Paul enjoy? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you hear the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English even more. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, there are many people here today. I feel a little nervous.
That's okay, Paul. Meeting new people can feel scary sometimes, but don't worry. Everyone here is friendly.
I hope so. Sometimes I don't know what to say in English.
That's completely okay. Today we will practice together. Introducing yourself is very important in English conversation.
Yes. I want to learn how to speak to new people.
Great! First, let's practice something simple. When you meet someone new, you can say, "Hello, my name is Paul."
Hello, my name is Paul.
Perfect. Very clear. Then you can ask, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
Excellent. See, you are already having a conversation.
That feels easier now.
Good. Simple English is powerful.
Hello, is this seat 3?
Yes, of course. Please sit here.
Thank you very much. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Emma. My name is Paul. Nice to meet you too.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome.
Thank you. This is my first time here.
Really? This is my first time too. I was nervous before class.
Me too. I still feel a little nervous.
That's normal. Many people feel nervous when they meet new people.
Emma, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Ghana.
Oh, nice. I want to visit Ghana someday.
Really? Ghana is very beautiful. The people are friendly and the food is delicious.
See, Paul, you are doing very well. You are having a natural conversation.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm trying my best.
So, Paul, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music and I enjoy playing football.
That sounds fun. What kind of music do you like?
I like calm music. I listen to music when I study English.
That's a great idea. Music can help people relax while learning.
I also like music, and I love reading books.
Really? What kind of books do you read?
I like mystery books. They're exciting.
Oh, I see. Mystery means something secret or unknown, right?
Exactly. Very good, Paul. A mystery story usually has secrets and surprises.
Interesting. Maybe I should read mystery books too.
You should. They are fun.
Now you are learning vocabulary naturally through conversation. That is wonderful. Paul, let's practice more simple questions. These questions are useful when meeting new friends.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. You can ask, where are you from? What do you do?
What do you do? What does that mean?
Good question. It means, what is your job?
Oh, I understand now.
Emma, what do you do?
I'm a nurse. I work at a hospital.
Wow, that sounds difficult.
Sometimes it is difficult, but I enjoy helping people.
That's very kind.
Now, Paul, answer the question. What do you do?
I'm a university student. I study computer science.
That's great. Computer science is very useful.
Thank you. I want to work with technology in the future.
Excellent. Your English sounds very natural.
Really? That makes me happy.
Would you like some coffee, Paul?
Yes, please, thank you.
I'll have tea.
Here you go. 1 coffee for Paul and 1 tea for Sarah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This coffee smells really good.
Yes, coffee smells wonderful.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Almost every day. Coffee helps me stay awake when I study.
I understand that. Many students drink coffee while studying.
Paul, do you have any hobbies besides football and music?
Yes, I enjoy photography. I like taking pictures of nature.
Really? That's interesting.
Photography is a wonderful hobby. It helps people notice beautiful things.
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures of trees, flowers, and sunsets.
That sounds peaceful.
It is peaceful. Photography helps me relax.
Okay, everyone. Now please introduce your new friend to the class.
Oh no, now I feel nervous again.
Don't worry. Take a deep breath. Speak slowly. You can do it.
Okay, I'll try.
Hello, everyone. This is my new friend, Emma. She is from Canada. She works as a nurse. She likes reading mystery books and listening to music. She is very kind and friendly.
Wonderful job, Paul. Very clear English.
Thank you, Paul. That was very nice.
Thank you. I was nervous, but now I feel better.
See? Practice gives you confidence.
Yes, I understand that now.
I'm really happy I came to this class today.
Me too. I was nervous at first, but now I feel comfortable.
That's wonderful. Meeting new people becomes easier with practice.
Exactly. And everyone here is friendly.
I learned many useful questions today.
Like what?
What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? And what are your hobbies?
Excellent. Those are very useful conversation questions.
You did a great job today, Paul.
Thank you. You both helped me a lot.
You should feel proud. Your English is improving.
That makes me feel confident.
Would you both like to meet again next week?
Yes, I would like that very much.
Me too. Maybe next time we can practice more English together.
That sounds perfect.
I'm happy I made new friends today.
And that is the power of communication. Even simple English can help people connect.
Great job listening. Now let's review some important phrases from today's conversation. Hello, my name is Paul. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time? These are very useful questions for meeting new friends in English. Remember, simple English is okay. Slow English is okay. Mistakes are okay. Practice is important. How was the conversation? I hope this video helped you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What hobby does Paul enjoy? Did you hear the answer? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments section. Even a short sentence is wonderful practice. On this channel, we learn English slowly, clearly, and comfortably together. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave your answer in the comments. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time. Bye.